How to convert a vertical video to a horizontal video in Premiere Pro. Go to File, New, Sequence, or press Command-N on a Mac or Control-N on a Windows computer. The new sequence window will appear and you want to go to the Settings tab. For editing mode, you want to change it to Custom. The time base will be your desired frame rate. For me, I'm going to select 23.976 frames per second. For frame size, I'm going to make it 1920 by 1080. The pixel aspect ratio is going to be square pixels. Fields is going to be no fields, progressive scan, and we can leave the rest of these settings as is. I'm going to go down and give my sequence a name and press OK. Your new sequence will appear in the timeline panel. Select the vertical clip in the project panel and bring it into the timeline. As we bring it into the timeline, we will get a clip mismatch warning pop up. We want to keep our existing sequence settings. Now that we have the vertical clip in the timeline, you can see that there are black bars on both sides of the video. To get rid of this, select the clip in the timeline and hold down the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a Windows computer and drag the clip up a track to make a duplicate of it. Select the clip on video track 1, then go to the Properties panel. And if you don't see the Properties panel, go to the Window tab and go to Properties. In the Properties panel, go to the Scale option and increase the size of the video until it fills up the entire frame. Then, go to Opacity and adjust the opacity to anywhere between 45 to 60%. Press Shift 7 to open the Effects panel, and in the search bar, type in Gaussian Blur and drag and drop it to the clip on video track 1. Then press Shift 5 to open the Effect Controls window, and in the Effect Controls window, go to Gaussian Blur and adjust the blurriness to anywhere between 25 to 40%. And this is how you convert a vertical video to a horizontal video in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.